How are you? Umekuaje?
Nimekuwa poa na wewe?
I'm good too. I missed you.
I missed you more.
I missed you too.
Okay.
Sokaje?
Niko poa babe, kuna kitu nataka tuongee.
Nini hiyo babe?
Okay, lakini usinichukulie vibaya.
Okay, what's that? Talk to me.
Okay. Mimi nimekaa nikaona tuachane. Like siko ubaya.
What's that? And why?
Okay, babe. Hebu jiangalie. Niangalie. Like, okay, in short, deserve maisha yenye si tunaishi. Una deserve maisha poa.
Did I complain? No.
Okay.
I can take care of myself. Babe, we are working. Like, I love you. Not whatever you can give or you can offer.
Yeah, I know, babe, you love me, but I deserve, like, when more expensive.
Babe, don't give me that one unless you have something else.
Hapana, si hivyo. Okay, babe, una deserve maisha poa. Like,
nani amesema yenye tunaishi sasa ni mbaya? I've not complained. I've not told you anything.
Like, lakini siwezi afford bills zako.
Did I tell you to?
Okay. Let me just give an example. When was the last time you nilipatia pesa uende sala?
Regardless, like, do I look shaggy right now? No.
No, you don't look shaggy, but like, me understand too.
I don't want that one for a reason. Give me a decent reason. Honestly, what's that? Like, who wakes up and one day just says, like, they want to leave? Seriously. Because of, I don't know. Oh, that's what. I don't buy it. I don't at all. Okay. Give me something different.
No, I
still love the night. I think of you. My heart beats with every thought of you. You're the one I can't let go. In your arms I find my home. Love, sweet love.